Students, this is the Unit 5 help video for problem A. I'm going to start by walking you through finger track and read out loud. I'd like you to put your finger right here, where my little fake finger is. I'd like you to try to read along with me, lips moving out loud. Read. You are flying a kite, and you are holding the kite spool 5 feet off the ground. In a strong wind, the kite line is pulled tight. The length of the kite is 150 feet, kite line, and the angle of elevation from your hand to the kite is 42 degrees. Find the height, altitude, of the kite from the kite to the ground. Next step is filter. You're going to go back and filter all the numbers and keywords. 5 feet off the ground, holding a kite. Kite lines pulled tight, so there's no slack. Length of the kite line, 150 feet. Angle of elevation from hand to kite, 42 degrees. The ultimate goal, find the height of the kite. This is what I'd like you to do. I'm going to have a timer here for 4 minutes. I'd like you to attempt to draw and solve this problem as far as you can go in 4 minutes, completely on your own. Do not speed through this part and just wait to copy the partial explanation. Really try to do the best you can on your own over the next 4 minutes. Go. Okay, let's see how far you got. We're only going to get you as far as the diagram and the direction of your attack. So feel free, if you make changes, I prefer you to do this in red pen so I can see the difference between what you're understanding. First off, in all storylines, you should have some sort of ground established, or if it's a water line of some sort, water. So ground. And we have a kite of some sort. And you are standing holding a kite spool, which means a spool with string, and that is 5 feet off the ground. Going up towards the kite, 150 feet, kite string, 5 feet off the ground. Get in the habit of crossing stuff out as you account for it. Your angle of elevation starting at your hand, so that's always horizontal going up, which means you have to draw a horizontal line, an imaginary horizontal line, and your 42 degrees goes right here. Your ultimate goal is to find the height of the kite, which goes from the kite all the way to the ground. Keep that in mind. But the triangle you are working with to solve is this triangle right here. From there you label opposite, and our opposite is only going to be from here to here. That's our X. Our adjacent is here. And here's your hypo. Now you work through have, need, do. When you're done with this, check your answer online, correct your work in bold red pen. If you're incorrect, I expect a note in the margin about what you need to remember. If you're correct, some sort of giant star smiley, woohoo, aren't I amazing?